Hello, and welcome to NextMove Technologies. My name is Adam, and today I'll be showing you how to save the locations and configurations of a NextMove Technologies link-align antenna positioner. This video builds on the previous videos in the series, so if you haven't been following along, make sure to watch the first video in our series to see how to set up a NextMove positioner. While using a NextMove positioner, you may find that you need to store location to return to later, for either a satellite or terrestrial radio link. The NextMove GUI supports storing target location data in a list in the Fixed Locations window. This is where the GUI stores a position or configuration when a Store button is clicked. This list can hold data in the form of target latitude, longitude, and altitude coordinates, satellite slot locations, pedestal azimuth and elevation positions, and geo-azimuth and elevation positions. NORAD two-line element sets, TLEs, are not stored in the Fixed Locations tab, but in the Program Track tab of the same window. For example, if we were to move the positioner to follow the satellite slot 65W, we could click the Store button below to add it to the Fixed Locations list. We then need to give the position a name and click OK. The same principle applies to any other storable configuration, such as a geo position. After clicking the Store button, we can add a name to the position and even edit the values being added to the list. To return to a saved position, simply click on an item in the list and the positioner will load the stored configuration data, in this case the Satellite Slot tab. Once loaded, click Go to move the positioner. Alternatively, double-click an item in the list and the positioner will automatically move to the saved position. To edit a configuration in the Fixed Locations list, right-click on any item in the list and click Edit. In the menu that pops up, you can edit any of the saved information that is saved in the entry. To delete a configuration, right-click on the item and click Delete. All stored locations can be exported to a local machine by clicking the Download button. This will prompt you to save a CSV file of the list, which can be viewed and edited as necessary. This same file can then be re-uploaded to the machine via the Upload button. Any entries in the list with identical names will be overwritten, and any entries without a matching name will be appended to the list. This video is part of a comprehensive video series detailing how to operate a NextMove positioner. To learn more, check out the next video in the series or visit our website at www.nextmovetech.com. Happy positioning!